Okay, so, woo, steamed up, it is hot. We're going to be learning from Greece, and we're going to learn Born to Hand Jive. Now, if you can see this, this is the version of the song that I want. Yes, I'm sure you could do this to any of the versions, but if you want to get specific, and the music that I'm using today, it's to this. It's the London recording. I'm using Spotify, but I'm pretty sure you can get it on YouTube. Ask your mum and dad maybe what music streaming website they use and see if you can get it. If not, any version should be okay, but if you want to tag along with me today, this is the original London version, and it starts really late on in the routine, as in the number, and we're going to start it on with 34 seconds to go, so that is 2 minutes 31 into the song. That's exactly when I want the routine to start, so it's just the last little section, okay? Anyway, this is how we start. Now we're going to break this into 4 sections, okay? The routine into 4 sections. The first section we're going to call the jig, and the jig happens. You're going to kick this foot in front of you, you're going to kick this foot in front, you're going to kick this foot behind, then you kick this foot in front 3 times. 1, 2, 3, like that, okay? And with the arms, you're just going to jig to the side as you do it, yeah? So this way first, it goes in front, then behind, then in front 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then you repeat all of that, but going back first on this leg. Back, then front, then back, back, back. Then again for a 3rd time, same leg as what we started with. In front, behind, in front, front, front. Then we're gonna do a step, turn together, and jump, jump, jump. Really nice and neat. This is super quick, guys, by the way, super quick. It is definitely not this slow, but we'll build up the pace. So, you got in front with this leg first. You've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then to the back. In front, back, back, back. In front, back, front, front, front. Step, turn, in, jump, jump, jump. Okay? One more time without music. So, this leg in front first. 1, behind, front, front, front. Behind, in front, behind, behind, behind. In front, behind, in front, front, front. Step, turn together, jump, jump, jump. Okay? Let's do that with some alla musica. So remember, I want it to start on exactly... Let's get it going. Hang on. Remember to start it on exactly 2 minutes 31. Yep, 2 minutes and 31 in this version. I'm sure you can pick it up with any Born to Hand Jive, Jive tune, but this one starts 2 minutes 31 in. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump.